I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a clear place and a name, so start by picking external drive, NAS, or cloud for backups and create the folder now. Once created, name it with a date or project tag so versions are obvious. Make sure you set folder permissions to limit write access to your backup account. This prevents accidental deletes. Then, place one small test file inside to confirm visibility and basic read/write. That quick verification saves time later. Now organize the folder with clear subfolders like Documents, Photos, and Configs so you can restore selectively. Once done, pick a reliable tool, rsync, Robocopy, Time Machine, or your cloud provider's sync app, and configure it to copy files into those subfolders. Make sure to use incremental backups to save space and schedule daily increments plus a weekly full backup. Enable logging so you can confirm each run. Also exclude temporary and cache. Finish by verifying restorability. You should restore a test file back to its original path and confirm it opens. Once done, implement rotation rules. Keep daily, weekly, and monthly snapshots and automatically prune the oldest backups to manage space. Make sure notifications or logs are enabled so you notice problems early. If something goes wrong, check logs first, then permissions, disk space, and network connectivity, if needed. Rerun the backup with checksum verification to detect and fix corrupted transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.